What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Daily Stack Report. If you stack silver and gold, or you're thinking about it, hit subscribe because these moves are getting violent, and the headlines are driving the price action just as much as the charts. Today was a perfect example. We went from record hype to hard sell-off, and it came down to one big catalyst out of the White House. Currently, silver is sitting at 91.98, and we have gold sitting right under 4,800 at 47.95. Now, here are a couple things that just happened. Here's a key headline. President Trump posted on Truth Social that there's now a framework for a future Greenland/Arctic deal, and he canceled planned tariffs on European allies and ruled out force. Why does this matter for metals? Because a huge chunk of this rally has been fear, premium, geopolitical risk, and tariff chaos. When that risk cools off even a little, traders don't just relax, they take profits, and that's what we're seeing right now. So do you guys think this was a real turning point or just a headline band-aid before the next escalation? But guys, silver is currently rebounding right now, so that is great to see. What happened earlier? Earlier today, gold was still printing insane levels. Reuters had spot gold around 4,885, an all-time peak near its 4,888 in that risk-off environment. So we're talking about a market that was already stretched and emotional, and then you drop a de-escalation headline into it. That's how you get a fast downdraft. Now, let's compare the scoreboard. After Trump's framework announcement, stocks rebounded. AP reported the S&P 500 up about 1.5% on the day. This bounce came right after the prior session's ugly drop tied to the tariff threats. So you're seeing the classic risk-off rotation, stocks up, some safe haven money comes out. And when the market goes risk-on, the US dollar often firm, which can add pressure to metals because they're priced in dollars. So are you treating this dip as a buying opportunity, or do you think we need a deeper flush first? Alright guys, now my stackers and collectors, let's talk US Mint pricing because this matters for the real world buyer. The US Mint currently lists the 2026 American Eagle 1-ounce silver proof at $173. It's marked as an upcoming release and not currently available. And for perspective, the Mint previously priced the 2025 Silver Eagle uncirculated at $91 in their own release. What does that tell you? Even when spot is whipping around, the collector market lives in premiums, Mint pricing, and availability, and those can stay elevated even when spot pulls back. If you're buying Eagles, are you focused on spot dips or are you hunting the lowest premiums you can find? Silver is still the drama king, as it has safe haven behavior and industrial sensitivity, so when the market's confused, silver can overshoot in both directions. And in volatile tape, you'll see people puke leverage first. Silver tends to get hit harder on fast reversals. So what I'm watching for next. Here are my 3 watch items for the next 24 to 48 hours. Do we get follow through on this Greenland framework, or does it fall apart and fear premium comes right back? Does the stock rebound hold, meaning risk on stays dominant? And how do premiums behave, especially for Eagles and .999 rounds fine silver? Do dealers widen spreads or do they keep pricing sticky? Right, guys, if silver continues to bounce back, that would be phenomenal. But if not, are dealers going to price that into your new premium or into your new price of silver? Let me know. If you want me to keep doing daily gold and silver breakdowns with the headlines that actually move price, hit like. It tells YouTube to push this to more stackers, and it really helps out, guys. The bottom line, today's sell-off wasn't random. It was a headline-driven unwind after a fear-driven run. Trump's Truth Social framework post gave markets a reason to rotate back into stocks, and metals felt it. So drop a comment. Are you buying this dip or waiting? And make sure you're subscribed to the Daily Stack Report. We'll be back tomorrow with the next move. Thank you guys.